we've got this Datsun to see. It's messy. Super excited. We've just heard about a Datsun 280ZX that possibly it's destined for the scrapyard at the moment, but possibly we can make it into a good car again. It's going to sit next to this one, and possibly next to the RX-7 and the other RX-7. I've heard it's a runner, but we won't be able to get it running until we get it back to the shop, if we get it back to the shop. Strangely enough, I heard about this this car about 2 months ago. I heard where the area was, but I couldn't pin the car down. Luckily, we have a delivery driver, and when I was telling somebody else about this, he overheard it and said, "Oh, I think I know where that car is," because he visits every area. He said, "I'll get a picture for you." I discounted it. 2 days later, he turned up. He said, "That's it." And I thought, that is a Datsun. It's the right colour, it's the right area, everything. Asked him where it was. That sort of leads us to here. So that's what we're doing now. I phoned the customer up, and basically he said it was for sale. So here we are, going to have a look at it. Right, we're here. It is round the back. I've already phoned the owner of this place up. He said, yeah, just go straight around the back. Well, new windscreen. It's just
a little bit.
It's just yeah. See, there's the big reveal.
There you go. Satisfying.
Right, well there she is. What we're going to do is me and Ryan, we're going to have a good look around this car, see if it's something we can save.
So what did you think then?
Well, I think it's a goer. The actual structure of the car is good. The chassis is good. The floor's intact. It'll still need a little bit doing to it. Maybe the odd occasional patch on there. But the main thing for us is the chassis. The majority of the shell, it's just all the edges are tatty. I mean, there's some good work there. It's like the bottoms of the rear arches. The big concern is the scuttle panel at the front of the window, because that'll go underneath the window, and I'll have to restructure all that. The underneath of the front of the bonnet, things like that. But the general inside and the structure of the car is good. So I think it's a Yorkshire Car Restorations car.